So let me show you how to use the built-in compass in your Galaxy A27 5G. So for this one, you simply need to go to settings. Under settings, you scroll down to display, tap on that. Under display, go to edge panels, and then you have edge panels enabled. So with edge panels enabled, you can now swipe from the right of your screen to access the edge panels. Right now, then you go into the panel so you can actually see different panels. What you're looking for is the tools panel. Make sure that's enabled so that now when you swipe, you can swipe again to see the tools panel, and that's where the compass is. So now you can set it up by tapping on next, and then you can have it calibrate, and then it's gonna ask you to just tilt your phone like this so it sort of calibrates, and once it's calibrated you should be able to see or get directions with this phone. So anytime you want directions, you just go to the uh, edge panel and you can access the compass from here. So that's north, south, west, east. All right, simple as that. Thanks for watching and good luck.